Meghalaya government has made relaxations on the restrictions of the national lockdown that has been imposed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Now we're here in Police Bazaar in Shillong to find out, because the Meghalaya government has allowed the opening of shops, with the Deputy Commissioner giving, working out the modalities on which shops are to be open. So we're here in Police Bazaar and we're going to find out what are the norms that are being followed in the shops, the social distancing, whether the shops are being able to maintain or not.
Now, earlier when they started opening, they were confused also, we were confused also, which shop is open and which shop not to open, like that. But since yesterday everything has been rectified, since day before yesterday. So now it's okay, they have given numbers, no? After getting these numbers, it is now easy. Now our number is today, like number 2 is today, number 3 uncle shop is tomorrow. Like that, number 4 is shoe center, they will have day after tomorrow.
As I can see today, I've been to many shops around. I can see that social distancing is impossible. What they could do is, they could have a very strict norms in the shops, where a specific day for specific customer, they can enter only one at a time. As I can see, I came along with a friend, and both of us can come inside. The main challenges we're facing right now is that prior to the lockdown, whenever we go to shops, we bargain things, we get it easily. But what happened now is that people, they are not, we can't even bargain with them. They have a fixed rate. Most of the shops, there was no fixed rate, but now they have put fixed rate on every item. And as I can see, the stocks are not available. So because of that, they are getting chance, to loot people.
So this is the first time we could see people on the road at this. It's not really crowded, I would say, but it seems people have really get used to all these health protocols or guidelines made by the government.
Already make a coupon system, but still we are telling the customer that maintain a social distance, but they are not listening to that. They are coming with a family like 2-3 people together, and they want to see the mobile or whatever they want to see TV or they want to see together. They want to decide together itself. Now still now supply is okay. We are getting the supply. As much as we are trying, we are getting it.
Now what we've seen in this ground report here in Police Bazaar is that the government has set up, I beg your pardon, the district administration has set up a numbering basis where shops of 1, 2, 3, 4, on those bases the shops will be open. Like today being Thursday, shops number 2 are opened here in Police Bazaar. So as we see, like how for cars they have an odd and even number, likewise a numbering basis is being set up for shops. And shops, there are some shops that we have noticed who face challenges in maintaining social distancing, while some shops have been able to carry out these health protocols that have been issued. This is Princess Russia reporting for East Mojo.